Mates SOLIDWORKS. During the formation of the assembly, use it to restrict freedom of the detail. Then insert it into the assembly. System computed the first part, evidenced by the letter F. F corpus in bracket in the assembly tree. By inserting the following component, is necessary to use the bending. Axis, insert crankshaft, and insert position rod. They are located on the panel assembly. By activation the command, specify the interface on the object. The list will appear in the window. Mate. I want to create a concentric mate. Select some surface, its cylindrical surface, and that cylindrical surface. Click OK and create another one. Bonding one piece to another does not end with one mate. It all depends on the required degree of freedom. Create a new mates. It's coincident. Select that plate and select that surface and set OK. Create mates, another for all or that detail. Give me a moment, please. Now coincident that plate and that plate. Okay, and coincident that surface and that surface. And create tangent mate with that surface and that cylindrical surface. They end with mate and move some component. Rotate or move.